Received iPhone 12 from a fan. Battery health is still 79%. It's time to change the battery. First, check the tightness of the mobile phone when it comes. Check the current sealing status of the mobile phone. It's a pity that the air tightness did not pass. What is the reason for this? Disassemble the machine. Disassemble the machine and see the details. Now use the cold disassembly method. Ensures the screen is safer during disassembly. More stable, will not damage the bracket, inner screen and outer screen. Open screen. Still the internal integrity of Apple mobile phones, neat and tidy, upright and orderly. Remove screw cover. Demolition in order of the main grid. Make it easier to disassemble the subsequent screen. Brothers who think it's good, give it a thumbs up and support it. First, the whole machine is powered off. Remove the LCD cable. Remove the speaker. It is convenient for us to remove the mobile phone battery perfectly later. This way the wireless charger inside the phone will be clean, neat and beautiful. Certainly, if the battery glue is aged. Still need the penetration of alcohol, easy to remove battery. Clean battery glue. Make sure there is no obstruction when installing the new battery adhesive. The remaining waterproof glue should also be cleaned up. While cleaning up. Also for the next piece of brand new waterproof glue, lay the foundation. Newly applied waterproof glue, no potholes. After holding pressure, achieve better finishing and sealing performance. Let's see the effect. Install speakers. Use brand new screws. And set the torque. New battery in good position. To install. Press back and forth several times, make the battery glue fit tightly. Mainly to prevent future use of mobile phones. Battery glue won't come off so easily. Will not open the glue easily. Remove the bezel. Apply new waterproof glue. And it needs to be maintained again. Make the waterproof glue fit firmly on the frame. Achieve better sealing. Glue residue around the screen. And remaining dust. Clean them up thoroughly for him. When holding the screen, better restore the original sealing performance of mobile phones. Installation screen. Drive in new screws. Torque. You also need to wipe clean the fingerprint marks from the repair. Make sure the inside of your phone is clean and tidy. Check clearly. After making sure the interior is neat and clean. Proactive camera without dust. The pressure on this side is the screen. Waterproof glue frames fit tightly together. Make mobile phone sealing better. Battery efficiency 100. Check the air tightness after repair. It's a pity that the air tightness did not pass, but it does not affect daily life, dustproof and waterproof. Do a good job of exterior cleaning. Apply new tempered film, SF Express free shipping. Thank you for watching.